Hi everyone, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, we'll be diving right into what to expect when you hear assorted meat. For this, we'll be focusing on beef, ram, lamb, or goat assortments. Assorted meat typically refers to a mix of different types of meat, often used in dishes to add variety and depth of flavor. In many cuisines, especially in African and Asian cooking, assorted meat can include a variety of cuts and types of meat. Here are different types of assorted meat. 1. Tripe. This is the edible stomach lining of a cow, known for its chewy texture. 2nd lungs. This has a light, airy feel which is dense and flavorful, perfect for grilling or slow cooking. 3rd kidneys. This is often cooked with spices for added flavor. 4. Liver. This is rich in nutrients and flavor, commonly fried or used in stews. 5. Cowhide. This is tough and is often cooked with lots of spices and added flavor. 6. Large intestine. This is a tender and flavorful cut often used in stews and braised dishes. 7. Small intestine. This is a tender and flavorful cut often used in stews and braised dishes. Here's how to knot intestines to give it that fancy look. Now you know your assorted meats. Which parts are your favorite?